Hi, this is Jennifer Patterson. I'm a partner here at Patterson Moore Butler in Cumming, Georgia. I'm here today to talk a little bit about high asset valuations and families that own businesses that are going through divorces. Oftentimes we find that families will come to us and either one or both of the spouses have operated a family-owned business, potentially with another partner, but oftentimes just that family. Sometimes we find that we have one spouse that has owned and operated the business while the other spouse has not been involved. Oftentimes we find that both spouses have been involved on some level in that business. The way that we handle this typically is to include outside resources such as forensic evaluators or CPAs. The things that we look to accomplish by doing that is we want to ensure businesses are properly valued, that we determine the appropriate value for the business as an ongoing concern. And if the party that we're representing is going to maintain that business, we want to ensure that they can do so and continue to operate that business and earn an income from that business. If the party is not going to be operating that business, if they're the spouse that's going to walk away from the business, we want to ensure that that spouse is receiving their fair share of the value of that business. We can also hire forensic evaluators to determine whether or not the business has been funneling money that maybe is not being fully disclosed, potentially assets. Very oftentimes expenses are being run through businesses and not being fully disclosed. So we hire forensic evaluators to determine if those things are happening. And again, that gets incorporated into valuing businesses to ensure that all parties are receiving their fair share of the value of that business. Finally, we also are going to look at the issues of taxes related to a business. That's going to include things like capital gains, ongoing income taxes, built-in realization of taxes for different reasons. We want to ensure that if you are receiving an asset and there are tax consequences that go along with that asset, that that's being accounted for and that both parties, again, are appropriately responsible for those taxes. If you have any other questions about this, we'd love to sit down and talk with you about it. We represent many business owners and have oftentimes resolved cases without the need for litigation, and on other occasions have actually had to litigate these issues in court, and enjoy working with business owners. My background myself is in accounting and enjoy working with business owners. If you have any questions, please again call our office. This is Jennifer Patterson, Patterson Moore Butler.